Good morning, everyone. My name is Shashank Yadav, and I am here to give a brief overview about my project, Alumni Connect AI. Uh, First, it's all about introduction and overview. Welcome to Alumni Connect AI, a complete alumni networking platform designed to connect students with alumni in a meaningful way. Whether you are a student exploring career options or an alumni eager to guide and support others, this platform is built with you in mind. Alumni Connect AI combines real-time messaging, AI-driven career insights, job referrals, mentorship opportunities, and campus events, all within a single system. It caters to three types of users: students, alumni, and admins, each experiencing a customized interface. The design features a sleek, dark class Morphism style that feels modern, clean, and visually comfortable. In the next few minutes, we'll explore each further step by step so you understand how everything works. Let's get started. This is about login and registration. Let's begin with accessing the platform. On the login page, simply enter your email and password, then click sign in. At the bottom, there are three demo login options: student, alumni, and admin, allowing you to quickly explore the platform without creating a new account. If you are a new user, clicking create one free will take you to the registration page, which follows a smooth two-step process. In step 1, you provide your full name, email, password, select your role, student or alumni, whatever you want, and choose your department along with your graduation year. Step 2 lets you select your skills using a visual tag system. Students can define their career goals, while alumni can add details like company, job role, industry, and location. Once you click create account, you are instantly logged in and redirected to your dashboard. After logging in, you arrive at your dashboard, which acts as your central hub. You are greeted with a personalized message based on the time of the day, such as good morning or good evening, along with a motivational line tailored to your role. At the top, four stat cards display your engagement score, connections, badge earns, and events RSVPED, giving you a quick overview of your activity. Below, students will find their top mentor matches powered by AI, while alumni see their latest job postings. There's also an upcoming events section showing scheduled activities with dates and locations. At the bottom, the quick actions panel provides fast access to key sections like career AI, mentorship, messages, and profile, making navigation seamless. Next is about alumni directory. The alumni page allows students to explore and connect with professionals from various industries. At the top, you will find a search bar and filter buttons for categories like technology, finance, healthcare, design, and more, helping you refine your search. Each alumni profile appears as a card displaying their name, role, company, location, bio, and skill tags. If they are open to mentoring, a green open to mentoring badge appears along with mentor button. A message icon is also available for direct communication. For students, a match score is shown, calculated using a Jaccard similarity algorithm, indicating how closely your profile aligns with the alumni. Clicking the mentor button opens a pop-up where you can send a personalized request explaining your goals. Next is you can learn more about real-time messaging. The message space is a platform's real-time chat system built using Socket.io. On the left side, you will see all your conversations, each showing the user's name, their online status, indicated by a green dot, and the latest message preview. Selecting a conversation opens the chat window on the right, where messages appears in styled bubbles, yours on the right in purple, and others on the left in grey. Each message includes a timestamp like 2 minutes ago. While typing, the other user can see a live typing indicator. You can start a new conversation directly from the alumni page by clicking the message icon on any profile. The messaging experience is smooth, modern, and updates instantly without needing to refresh. Next is about jobs, events, and career AI. The platforms also offers three additional key features. The jobs page allows alumni to post opportunities, while students can browse them using filters such as full-time, internship, part-time, and contract roles. Each listing includes details like company, role, location, salary range, required skills, deadline, and referral availability. Students can apply directly with a cover letter. The events page display various activities like webinars, workshops, networking events, and alumni meetups, each with detail like date, venue, organizer, and attendee account, along with a one-click RSVP option. Lastly, the Career AI page provides personal career guidance. Students input their skills, target role, and timeline, and the AI generates a detailed roadmap including career paths, skill plans, projects, certification, and a weekly schedule. There's also CareerBird chat for answering career-related options. The profile page lets user manage their personal details. You can update your name, bio, department, graduation year, and link platforms like LinkedIn, GitHub, or your personal website. Skills can be added or removed using a visual tagged system, and students can define their career interest. Alumni can update their professional details such as company role, industry experience, and mentorship availability. The profile also shows engagement scores and earned badges. Alumni can update their professional details such as company, role, industry, mentorship availability, and experience. On the administrative side, the admin dashboard provides an overview of platform activity, including total users, alumni verification status, events, and job listings. Also, you can show how many users you have connected it to. Admins can verify alumni accounts, granting them a trusted badge. These features ensure both user control and platform reliability. That brings us to the end of Alumni Connect AI walkthrough. From intelligent mentorship connections and real-time communication to AI-powered career. Thank you for watching.